Hello, grade 5, and welcome to session 3 of our lesson, which is characteristics of divisibility by 3, 4, and 9. Before we start, let's review. We said that if I want to know if a number is divisible by 2, if the ones digit is even, it means 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. A number is divisible by 5 if the ones digit is 0 or 5. A number is divisible by 10 if the ones digit is 0. We took the divisibility by 3 and 9. We said that 3 and 9 to make sure if the number is divisible by 3 and by 9, we have to add the digits. So a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. Similarly, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 9. Today we are going to talk about the divisibility by 4 and 6. Divisibility rule by 4. All the multiples of 4 are divisible by 4, and if I have any number, I can know if it is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are a multiple of 4. Look to the examples. These examples, we look at the last two digits, the ones and tens. 36 is a multiple of 4. So yes, this number is divisible by 4. Look at the last two digits. It's 4. 4 is a multiple of 4. So yes, this number is divisible by 4. Look at the last number, 916. We look at the ones and tens, which are 16. It's a multiple of 4. So this number will be divisible by 4. So now let's make an extra application. Is the number 328 divisible by 4? What to do? We have to look at the last two digits, which are 28. Is 28 a multiple of 4? Think. Do we have in the table of multiplication of 4 28? Yes, because the last digit is 28 and 28 is a multiple of 4. So this number will be divisible by 4. Let's make another example. Is 6,455 divisible by 4? How can we know? We look at the last two digits, which are 55. Do I have in the table of multiplication of 4 55? No. So, because the last two digits are 55, which are not a multiple of 4, so this number is not divisible by 4. Now we are going to take the divisibility rule by 6. Every multiple of 6 is divisible by 6, and I can know a number it's divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 at the same time. Okay? Example. Take this number 78. 78 is divisible by 6 because first look, it's an even number. It starts with 8, so it's divisible by 2. Then let's check. Is it divisible by 3? We add the digits. 7 plus 8 give me 15. Then it's divisible by 3. Since 78 is divisible by 2 and by 3, then it is divisible by 6. Let's make an application. Is the number 318 divisible by 6? So I have to make sure if it is divisible by 2 and by 3 at the same time. Look, is 318 an even number? Yes, it starts with 8, which is an even number, so it's divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? What to do to make sure it is divisible by 3? We have to add the digits. Let's add the digits. 3 plus 1 plus 8 give me 12, which is divisible by 3. So 318 is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So 318 is divisible by 6. Let's take another example. Is 2054 divisible by 6? First, is it divisible by 2? Yes, it's an even number. It starts with 4. Then, let's make sure it is divisible by 3. How do we know? Let's add the digits. 2 plus 0 plus 5 plus 4 give me 11, which is not divisible by 3. So, 2054 is not divisible by 6. Why? Because it's not divisible by 3. It should be divisible by 2 and by 3 at the same time. And by this, we finished our session. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.